Hello guys, customer bring the phone. Look at this. Charging port is damaged, camera is damaged, lens is damaged, flashlight is no. Everything is damaged, and this pop up. Probably battery is explosive. So I'm gonna try to fix the whole frame and the screen today. Yes guys, so I've replaced the whole frame. Two different frame, as you see. And I changed lots of things on this phone. I changed back camera, I changed battery, I changed display. It's original screen. And Face ID's issue, I can't figure out why it's doing that, but it's okay. And the battery, it says 100%. That means it has the brand new battery inside. Let me show you the camera. It's great. Thank you guys for watching.